Mag-aaral muna ng mabuti dahil dumarami na ang populasyon sa atin ay di na maiwasan pa. Kaya iwasan ang pagbubuntis ng maaga at mag-aaral muna ng mabuti para ikaw ay may makamit. Kaya iwasan ang iyong kalandian. Kung di mo maiwasan ay gumamit ka na lang ng condom, contraceptives, tube ligation at implants upang ika'y makaiwas sa issue. Condom, condom, condom. Family planning ay unahin dahil ito ay mahalaga sa atin. Kaya wag na dagdagan pa. Populasyon sa Pinas ay marami na. Pag-aaral ay unahin pagkat ito ay mahalaga sa atin. Kaya kung hindi mo maiwasan ang iyong kalandian ay gumamit ka na lang ng condom, contraceptive pills, tube ligation at vaginal ring, implants at IUDs upang iwas sa maagang pagbubuntis ng condom, contraceptive pills, tube ligation at vaginal ring, implants at IUDs upang iwas sa maagang pagbubuntis.
We're not saying that you should not get pregnant. Instead, we just don't want you to suffer for being a mom at a young age and having a hard time to take care of your family. Because you need to go to college, work, clean and cook to provide the things your family needs. So you need to take knowledge and family planning and use safety when you want to have sex with your partner. What is birth control? Birth control, also called contraception, is how you prevent pregnancy. There are many different types of birth control. Birth control only works when you use it correctly. Take the time to understand how each type of birth control works and how you use it. If you're sexually active and don't want a baby, use birth control. A pregnancy can happen anytime you have unprotected sex. What are the types of birth control? Before you choose a method, you should discuss birth control with your partner and your healthcare provider. Birth control methods are only effective if you use them properly. Make sure that you understand how to use the method of you choose. Barrier methods. Condoms. What is it? A condom is a thin covering made of latex, plastic, or lambskin that is rolled over an erect penis. The covering prevents semen, the fluid that contains sperm, from entering your vaginal. Condom may tear or rip easily, making them less effective than other birth control methods. Spermicide. What is it? Spermicide is a gel, cream or suppository that prevents sperm from reaching an egg. It contains chemicals that damage sperm, so they can swim up to an egg. You must use spermicide exactly as directed for it to be effective. There's also prescription only vaginal gel that works like spermicide. It works by lowering the pH in your vaginal, which makes it hard for sperm to swim. Diaphragm. What is it? A vaginal diaphragm is a flexible, reusable dome-shaped cup that you place inside your vagina to prevent pregnancy. It stops sperm from getting into your uterus by blocking your cervix. You must use water-based spermicide or contraceptive gel with a diaphragm. Hormonal contraception include estrogen-containing birth control pills. The contraceptive vaginal ring. What is it? The pill, patch, and ring are medication that you take to prevent pregnancy. You take the pill daily. Insert the vaginal ring once a month and change the patch weekly. Most hormonal contraception contains two different hormones, estrogen and progesterone. All of these forms of birth control works by preventing ovulation. Tubalucation. What is tubalucation? It's a procedure to block your fallopian tubes. A surgeon clamps, tie or block your fallopian tubes to prevent pregnancy. The procedure is similar to salpingectomy, but your fallopian tubes are completely removed. In the rare chance you'd get pregnant after a tubalucation, you're at a higher risk for an ectopic pregnancy.